So welcome back to my channel. Hi. So in today's video, so if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencers. I just do a lot of makeup videos, product reviews, try some new shade and try some random things as well, which I buy from Amazon, of course, Amazon. So yeah, I do a lot of different kind of videos over here on my channel. So in today's video, I actually am going to test something out which I found on Amazon. And I'm just going to test it out first time myself. I'm going to show you right on camera if it works or whatever. I am very skeptical about these things, so let's see. So in today's video, I'm actually going to test out this cat liner. It's kind of like a guideline to create a cat eye eyeliner. So it's literally 2 cats. This thing cost me $12, and it literally just sent me these 2 cat stencils, and these are the instructions on the back of the stencils, which are so confusing. I've been looking at them and putting the way they asking me to do it. I have no idea, but we're gonna test this out anyway. So it looks pretty confusing to me personally. I don't know if you guys have tested this out before or not. I don't know how much helpful it is going to be for people who are especially new to the eyeliner game and everything, but we're gonna test this out and see if this product really works and if it is worth the money of like $12 or something. So yeah, let's just not waste any more time and get into this video. But before you leave, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video, you will get a notification. So yeah, let's just test this product out and see if this works. Basically, I did all my makeup, including the eyes and everything, and I'm just going to do the eyeliner. They haven't even mentioned what sort of eyeliner you should use or whatever. I'm planning to use this Benefit roller liner eyeliner pen. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but we're gonna figure it out ourselves and see if this works. If not, then I have my gel and liquid liners and all that. So according to the instructions, so every single cat has some numbers written next to the actual guideline you're supposed to use. So if you look at it, it says 9. I don't know if the camera is picking up or not. It says 10, 7. So you start with this one, this slim little fellow, and it has a number from 1 to 5. So the 1 is supposed to just do the upper part of your eye. Now, the one thing I am actually really curious about is how this is going to work if you have a very, say, full-on eye makeup. I literally just put my blush on my eye as like eye color, just wanted a little bit of a dimension, but I don't know how this is going to work if you have like a full-on makeup. So I'm just gonna test this out for you guys now. So this is number 1, which is this long leg and a paw, and you're supposed to put it, I'm just looking at the picture, it's so confusing. Okay, so you're supposed to put it like this. So this part, the paw is right at the end. Okay, like here. And then you just do this, and the edge should be right out. Now this position, I have to tell you, is very, very uncomfortable. So, and then you're supposed to draw your eyeliner. Okay. Okay, so it's kind of like the first line. I'm not really sure about this. And the second part, second number does pretty much the same thing. If you want to carve out your, when you want to apply your liner on your lid, I don't know how much helpful this will be because it's looking really funny. And the third number is actually for the bottom part. So you can actually do the whole eye look with using these cats, kind of like apply your eyeshadows and all that too. So it's all different. So second is, I'm not going to apply it, but I'll show you. So the second, you're supposed to put the corner part right towards the end of your eye and then take this inward. No, that doesn't look right. So okay, it's kind of like, okay, so it's kind of like this. Okay, so this is number 1, so this is number 2, so kind of like this. I don't know how you're gonna do this because this is just not making any sense. Number 3, don't think so I will ever use it, because you're supposed to put it like under your eye to do your waterline. This I can still see working if you really want to. I don't know if I want to apply this. This might turn out to be a total disaster. I can already feel it. Okay, so number 4 is basically if you want to put like a thick eyeliner. So this is how it will be looking on your eye. The positioning of this thing is very, very difficult. I have no idea how people will do it, because first of all, these little edges, if you're putting it around here, it's really poking my eye and it's very uncomfortable. I don't think so I'll be able to draw a straight line using this, but I'm gonna still try to give my best. The number 5 is you put it like this to create some sort of eye look. I don't know if this is making sense. This is just not good. Number 6, which is this fat little fellow. Okay, literally like supposed to put it like this to create like a round shape. Let's just try that. I think I'm just making a quick. Oh my god, this is a disaster. This video is going to be a disaster. What have I done? I can't even oh my god. Guys, can you see what I've just done? I'm telling you, these instructions are just not making any sense whatsoever. So every number is supposed to do some sort of thing, but it kind of it's just not doing anything for me, especially it's not doing anything. So I will just probably use the way I want to use and use this as a guideline. This is not even a number. I just turned the bloody cat around and I'm just going to create my wing. So yeah, I am going to fix that issue. What's going on? I don't know how I'm going to do that, but I'm going to do it. So, and the reason I picked up the Benefit roller eyelash roller liner, because the tip on this liner is very long and very slim. So I just thought it'd be easier to just do this kind of test just to see if these things work or not, because then I have more area to play around with. Okay. My eyeliner never looked that good before. Sarcastic. Okay, so I'm gonna try to fix my and the more I'm fixing, the more it's getting worse. Okay. Oh my god, now I have liner on the like really where I didn't wanted it. Okay. This is probably the longest wing ever. I'm just gonna grab some like makeup remover. While I'm trying to fix this, my eyeshadow is coming off. Oh my god, this video is definitely going to be a disaster. Okay. So, looking okay. I'm gonna see if I can just pack some eyeshadow here because my lid is now patchy because I just took all my eye base and everything off trying to remove that. So my wings are not matching at all. One is, this side is slimmer, this side is thicker. This video has been a total disaster, and if you see this damn thing on Amazon, don't buy it. It's just total waste of money. It doesn't work. It's like, seriously, it looked like a proper thick stencil when I bought it. I just thought it's going to be like a quite thick something which you can just use it properly. This is so flimsy. It's just, you can't even put it against your skin because if you press it from this side, it will pop up from this side. If you press it from this side, then how are you supposed to put the liner if you're covering all your eye? I just do not understand this. I don't get it. These things, as much as these cats are looking super duper cute, but they don't work. So this video has been a total disaster. No. So I don't even know what to say. I hope you find this review helpful, and I hope you don't waste your money buying these kind of things on Amazon, because these things, the way they claim and everything, they don't work. The best way for you to learn liner is just practice and practice. That's the only way I learned it. That's the only way I'll recommend it, because if you start using the stencils, they're never always worked. And if you're using a stencil, one side might look perfect, the other side might not come out perfect, and trying to match the both sides might turn out to be a total disaster as well. So as you can already see, I do my wet liner all the time, just myself, using without anything. It always comes out perfect. And today it's been like, I'm looking at myself thinking, no. So hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions regarding this product, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and let me know if you have used something like this before and if it worked for you, and if it did work for you, let me know what it was so I can find out on Amazon and try it myself too. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you all. Take care. Bye guys.